YouTube crew? It's your boy A Benji. Y'all miss me? Nah, y'all ain't miss me. I ain't been with a couple days, 5 days, 6. I don't know. Anyway, we doing a little short reaction video on Cyanide Happiness. Welcome to the Gun Show. Monday mashup. It's currently Wednesday, 5:02 to be exact, in the morning. Doing a little quick little video. Since I haven't given y'all no content in almost a week. So yeah, this video right here is 3 minutes and 27 seconds. So without further ado, I didn't even pull up the screen recording. Hold on. Without further ado, we can go ahead and jump to this bad boy. So, ABG crew, you know what to do? Let's roll. Oh.
Hey guys, I got another one.
Yay, Dad!
Good job, Dad.
Yeah, good job, Dad.
He been killing the storks and the people ain't getting their kids.
8 to 9 business months, my ass.
You ain't getting it now, man. You ain't getting it now.
That's it. It's done. My seed gun will revolutionize the farming industry. A single worker will be able to plant an entire field in minutes.
Bow, 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 bow.
Oh, you're my golden ticket out of here, baby.
And you say your seed shotgun will allow a single worker to plant an entire field with one shot? Fascinating.
Yeah, nutter butter.
No. YouTube, I don't know y'all gonna. No, it's on YouTube, so I doubt I'll get. I'm trying to get troll for that, right?
Huh?
Go get the blicky.
Finally, I get to use my guns, protect my cows, legally shoot a man. I can't wait.
Got the blicky in case the situation gets sticky. He used the gun to open up another case to a bunch of other guns. Okay, Rambo. It's kind of excessive, ain't it? He got time to do all this? Bro, they would have been killed him. I'm sorry. I know it got to be heavy. Exactly. You dropping the guns.
Oh no! They took the rest of my guns!
Why he had that many guns in that house?
Well, at least I have you, some guns. Mwah.
Whoa! Okay, that last part, I don't know what that was. Anyway, y'all tell me what y'all thought of the video down in the comment section down below. Let me know what other videos I should react to. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, please recommend some other videos because I want to know what y'all want me to react to. Till then, ABG crew, you know what to do. We are out of here. Peace.
Yeah. Lil Dilly from the bottom of the map. I ain't gotta have a strap. I still get 'em with the rap. Hating Dilly, man, you gotta be an idiot.